What to do if a fire starts? If a fire starts. 1. Know how to safely operate a fire extinguisher. 2. Remember to get out, stay out and call your local emergency phone number. 3. Yell, "Fire," several times and go outside right away. If you live in a building with elevators, use the stairs. Leave all your things where they are and save yourself. 4. If closed doors or handles are warm or smoke blocks your primary escape route, use your second way out. Never open doors that are warm to the touch. 5. If smoke, heat or flames block your exit routes, stay in the room with doors closed. Place a wet towel under the door and call the fire department. Open a window and wave a brightly colored cloth or flashlight to signal for help. 6. Once you are outside, go to your meeting place and then send one person to call the fire department. If you cannot get to your meeting place, follow your family emergency communication plan. 7. If you must escape through smoke, get low and go under the smoke to your exit. Close doors behind you. If your clothes catch on fire, stop what you're doing. Drop to the ground and cover your face if you can. Roll over and over or back and forth until the flames go out. Running will only make the fire burn faster. Then, once the flames are out, cool the burned skin with water for 3 to 5 minutes. Call for medical attention. The best way to ensure fire protection is by preventing fires in the first place. Small steps add up to a safer home for you and your loved ones. Switch to LED candles. Avoid smoking indoors. Keep an eye out for frayed wires. And teach your children about fire protection by informing them about the dangers of matches and lighters.